Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and as you read by the title, I'm back with another video. This one is so different, y'all. I've never did a video like this on my channel before, so I am super excited. As y'all know, well, y'all probably don't know because I don't really talk about this much on my channel, but I am blind. I cannot see. So guys, I am super excited to announce I'll be collabing with Zilu prescription eyeglasses. It came in this royal blue box, which I think is super cute. So inside, as y'all already see, I opened it. They did send me some cloths to clean off my lenses with, and they sent me 6 pairs of glasses. So they sent me 6 pair of glasses, and they each came in these little pouches to protect them. So inside your box, you get your PD ruler so you can measure your PD. Also sent me a copy of my prescription. So show y'all my prescription really quickly. Sent me a $7 coupon code, so when I want to purchase some more glasses, I got this right on hand. This is the first pair of glasses, and these are in the style Felicia. Bye Felicia! So these are in the color crystal. They do come in several other colors as well, and the shape is cat eye. I love me a good cat eye because I feel like my eyes are already almond cat eye shape, so I feel like it just enhances my eyes a little more. I forgot to mention the little crystal detail they have on the side. So on the outer corners of the glasses, you got 2 cute little crystals, and they're kind of teardrop shaped, so kind of goes with the whole cat eye look. But I think these are really cute. Let me tell you how much they cost. So originally they were $28.95, and now they're $7. You cannot go wrong with that. Like, not only are these fashionable and cute, but they're $7.99. I love these Felicia shades. I actually been wearing these out of all my glasses. I actually haven't worn any of the glasses yet. These are the first and only pair I've been wearing just to give it a test before I wear the other ones. And honestly, I'm in love. Like, guys, these are my perfect prescription. Like, I can see clear as day. They're comfortable. Like, they're very comfortable on my face, comfortable behind my ears, because a lot of times I find that glasses will rub the mess out of the back of my ear, like the top of my ear, like right here. Y'all know, like right on the top of the ear where the arms sit. And it will just rub right there, and it's so annoying. But I like that these doesn't necessarily itch that back part of my ear, and they sit on my face very comfortably, so I love that. Like, I don't like anything that's gonna sit super heavy on my face, so the fact that they're very lightweight is something that I enjoy about them, because like I said, I wear a lot of makeup. I don't need no heavy glasses sitting on top of my face. So for me, these are a 10 out of 10. I love the style. I feel like it goes good with my outfit right now, and that was a big thing for me too. Like, I wanted to get some eyeglasses that match majority of my wardrobe, or that can match a couple outfits, and I find that these match almost everything in my outfit. I mean, everything in my outfit, but everything in my wardrobe. But then again, it's clear. Like, clear matches everything, so you can't go wrong with it. The first pair, on to the next. Okay, so here are the next pair of glasses, and I'm going to take off this little strip, try them on. And this is my first time trying these on. Like, the rest of these glasses, this is gonna be my first time trying them on. Those other ones, I was just wearing them because, guys, I lost my other glasses and I needed something until I filmed this video. So I haven't worn these other ones yet, so this is a first impressions. Get out of here, y'all. These hot pink glasses with this pink outfit, this, I thought a pair of prescribed glasses would have made the outfit look better. Like, come on. And y'all know my favorite color, pink, so I'm always gonna go for pink. Oh my, these are so cute. But enough of me admiring myself. These are in the style Martin, and let me check the price of that for y'all. So these glasses were originally $17.37. No, these glasses were originally $28.95. Now they're $17.35, and also in the shape square. And guys, these are so cute. Like, my favorite color is pink, so I was like, I need me a good pair of pink glasses. I do have a couple pink outfits in my wardrobe, but you don't need pink outfits for pink eyeglasses. Honestly, that could be a little tacky if you're matching head to toe. But I do like how these hot pink correlate with this light pink. I really think it makes it come together a little bit, even though it's two different colors. Maybe it's the shape with the pattern. I don't know, but I think it looks really, really good. They're pretty comfortable as well. It's this part of the arm that's making it comfortable on my ear, but these are actually comfortable. They sit on my face, very nice, not super heavy, not sliding down my nose. Of course, I could see out these as well, so they did good with my prescription. Main thing, as long as I can see, that's the first go. That's the first green flag. I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. Y'all let me know what y'all rate them, but I give it a 10 out of 10. Okay, so these are the glasses in the style Clement. I think that's how you spell it. It's C-L-E-M-E-N-T, but I am super impressed with these. These look good on me as well. Y'all know I love a good cat eye. You could say these don't really match my outfit. Like, these are tortoise shade. They're like blue, yellow, and red. And my outfit is houndstooth, pink and white. So if it doesn't match this, I know I got other things for it to match. These were originally $25.95 and they're now $15. And these do come in different colors, and they come in shades as well. So if you don't want them just as glasses, you can get the shades. That's on you. These feel pretty comfortable as well. I do find that these kind of slide up a little bit more often than the other ones, which isn't a big deal. Like I said, as long as it's not irritating the back of my ear, that's my only issue. So yeah, these feel pretty lightweight as well. Like I said, the only little thing for me is I can feel it kind of sliding down my nose, but everything's not gonna be perfect all the time, so not no big deal. Description as well, I can see out of them, so that is a go. The quality is amazing. For me, I'll say it's a 9 out of 10. Rate these from a 1 to 10. Matter of fact, rate all of these from a 1 to 10 and let me know which one is your favorite. But let's go on to the next pair of glasses. These are the next pair of glasses, and these are in the style Hillary. They're in the color crystal as well. Oh wow, these are really, really cute. These are so cute. Let me check the shape for that. These are in the shade Butterfly. I am a butterfly girl. I think I love the cat eye and the butterfly because the butterfly is doing it. And I love that I got the crystal in two different shapes, one in butterfly, one in cat eye, because those two colors I feel like it's gonna match almost every outfit in my wardrobe when it comes to all these glasses. And it's good to have a color in two different shapes, two different styles, just so that you can mix it up every now and then. These prescriptions are good as well. I can see good. It's not straining my eyes, nothing. So we got 5 out of 1. So far so good. We are almost there. These glasses were originally $28.95. Now they're $7. If that's not a sign, I don't know what is. Like, where can you find these deals at? Let me know in the comment section. Where can you find these deals? America Best, you literally have to pay $200 for 2 glasses. I'm so happy they reached out to me because from now on, I will be shopping with them. Affordable, good quality, prescribed, stylish, fashionable. Like, you can't beat it. So I'm not gonna ramble too much because I don't want y'all thinking I'm trying to like, yeah. Oh yeah, I really do like these crystal glasses. These are in the style Hillary as well, if I didn't mention. Like I said, keep on looking. Let me know which ones y'all thinking like the best so far. But on to the last shades. The eyeglasses in the style Fidelia. I think that's how you spell it. Let's see. It is F-I-D-E-L-I-A. So this is the style Fidelia, and I'm gonna take off the little plastic. And let's give these bad boys a try. Y'all, these look so good with this outfit. Like, it's giving Legally Blonde. Like, I feel like I should have a puppy right here and like a little notebook and just, you know, like. And if y'all wondering, like, are they pink? Yes, they are pink and black. So the outer is pink and the inner is black, and then the arms are black as well. And the good news is all of these are my right prescription, guys. Let's give a round of applause. I can see good out of all of these. They're not straining my eyes. My eyes are comfortable. My ears are comfortable. Like, I could have not wanted any more. These glasses are lightweight, like affordable, stylish. I am just so happy with all the eyeglasses I picked because they all look good on me. They all complement me and my style very well, and my eye shape, which is the most important. I'm gonna give these glasses a 10 out of 10. Like, they all look super good. Quality is amazing. Comfort is amazing. Style looks good. Fashion ready. Outfit ready. So these are in the shape cat eye, which I assume because I'm a cat eye butterfly type of girl, as we just found out. And these glasses were originally $25.95 and now they're $7. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all my eyewear in the description box below. So if there's a pair you guys like, y'all can check them out yourselves. And I'm gonna put my discount code in the link below so y'all can get some coins off. Like, imagine paying $7 for a pair of glasses and then getting 10% off or 15% off. That is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all find this useful. I hope y'all find some eyeglasses y'all like. And for my blind people, my people that can't see, I hope that this video was very useful. I hope that you find some new eyeglasses that you could wear that are affordable, that fit your style, that make you feel good. Make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram so y'all can see how I wear these glasses and what outfits I wear with. That's it for today's video. Make sure y'all turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I'm uploading another video. That's it for this review. I hope y'all enjoyed and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.